another one.
You want to catch another one already? Okay. Hey guys, it's fun with Gertz and Acres. We're getting ready to go fishing. We're gonna take Maisyn out and see if she can't get her first fish. You're going fishing? Are you excited? Yeah? Okay. Alright, there we go. We got beetle spin rigged up for them. All the cows are right here. You gotta shut the gate back. Can't be easy. Cade's already down there fishing. Hopefully we can get Maisyn her first fish. You excited to go fishing?
Yeah, I'm excited to go fishing.
This pasture is rough. Oh my goodness.
Gonna go fishing!
You excited?
Yeah.
We'll take this one over there, okay? We're gonna unhook this off of here. Alright, we'll make sure the line's out. Now come over here. Okay. Now to cast, you gotta push this button, okay? But you gotta hold it down. You gotta hold it down so the line don't fall out. And you come back, and then whenever we throw it, we let off the button, okay? So here we go. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Woohoo! Good
Good
cast.
job, Maisyn.
Okay, now you have to reel. Push the button right there. Okay, you got it?
Yeah.
Back.
I'm tossed.
Okay, hold the button down until you're ready. Whoop, you dropped it. You let off the button. It fell behind you. See, look, over here. You let off the button. You gotta hold that button down. Here, let Daddy try to hook one. You can reel it in.
Yeah.
Okay? Here, let Daddy reel for a minute. We'll see if we can't hook one. You can reel it in. Let Daddy can. Woo, way out there.
Can I?
You got one. You got one, Maisyn.
Go.
There you go. Reel it in. Reel it in. Reel. You got one on. Reel. Go. Daddy help you. Let's go before it gets off. Oh, it got off. Darn it.
Darn it.
Okay. Okay, we'll try again. What?
You say darn it.
Well, I've had him on 3 times.
They got it.
Alright, we got one now.
They got it.
Make sure we...
Hey, we got one.
Here. Reel. Oh, you got him, Maisyn. You got him. You got your first fish. Reel him in. Good job. Get him. Reel. He's right there. Reel. All right, you hold it right here and I'll go get him. Hold on to your pole. Both hands. Hold on tight. You got it? All right, we'll get him.
I got fish, Mama.
Good job,
Big old bass.
Got
Look at that.
Wow.
Woo!
I want to get your picture.
Let's get another one.
Woo! Look at that, guys. Maisyn's first fish. There's Maisyn's first fish, guys. She's pretty happy
Good
about
job,
it.
Sissy.
What do you think,
Okay,
Maisyn? Hold on, there's a hook.
Hold on.
Hold on. Whoa, hold on, guys.
You got on me.
Don't move.
You got the fish
Okay.
on me. Ew.
Sorry. No, don't be you. Fish aren't ooh. Hey, what do you tell everybody? Are you happy with your first fish?
Yeah, but I want to get another one.
You want to catch another one already? Okay, we're going to let this one go.
Yeah.
See, we don't keep fish very often. We always let them go, don't we?
Oh, we got.
You going to kiss him?
No.
Can you kiss him?
No.
Like this?
No.
Mm.
No. I don't want to kiss one.
All right, we're going to let him go.
My heart.
All right, let's let him go. Let him go. There he goes.
Hey, my fishing.
All right, I'll fix it. I'll get it. It's all tangled up. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Whoa, you casted way out there. Good job.
I'm trying to pull.
You got a reel. You're getting your line tangled up in the weeds.
Yeah.
There you go.
I think I got one.
Think you can do it by yourself? Oh, you almost did it, Maisyn. Here, let me get it back up. You almost did it by yourself. Okay, try that again. Keep practicing. There you go. You got it in the water. Okay. Now remember, you got a reel. You got a good one? Yeah. Not too bad, I guess. I mean, Maisyn's was a lot bigger, but you know. I was gonna say it should be a 5-pounder. He's a little scrawny.
Stay
Got
away
the body
from the
for
edge
it.
of the water, Mason, okay? Babe, she's gonna snap that fishing pole.
Alright, I'll go help Mason.
We're gonna hook her.
Mason, you got a line all tangled up? Hold on, let me help you. What was that?
A big
Think of the fish? Whoa, what was that? Son of a gun, your pole just come apart.
Oh,
Top
my
of it
goodness.
done went flying
What is
out.
Daddy doing?
Hey, I caught a fish one time when that happened. I had an end of a pole and a fish on coming in at the same time.
Remember that time you bought me expensive fishing poles and I broke all of them?
Yeah. Story time.
No.
So, started dating Savannah and I had lots of money because I was single and worked a lot,
Right.
whatnot. Anyways, I bought Savannah like $200 fishing pole. And like the first time out fishing, she broke it. Mason, come here, we got one.
Go,
Go
go.
catch it, sis.
And
No.
come here. Crappie, we got crappie. Here, reel. You got crappie? Oh, he came off. Dang it. Big old crappie. Yeah. Yeah, they come out of the top pond. Anyways, back to the story. So I bought her, instead of a $200 pole, after she broke that one, I got her a $100 one. And the next time out, she broke that one. So then she kept asking how much they cost, and I said, you know, not very much. And then I bought her like a $15 one because she broke 2 expensive ones, and she still has that one today. So I should have started with the cheap one to start out with. There's
Now you don't
There's
buy me
Shalana.
nothing.
Whoa, I thought you were fishing. Oh, Savannah got one that fast. I guess we'll go back here and see what she caught. Apparently, I just don't know how to fish. Huh, there you go.
How you do it?
Nice.
Took a woman's touch.
Okay. All right, back to getting my pole. Well, about 2 casts, she had one. So I'll go get my pole, see if I can't catch something. It's my tackle box from back when I fished all the time. What stuff's that? They look good. Go with this bad boy. It looks like a good deal. We'll see what happens. Okay, we're gonna go get a spinnerbait. Spinnerbait it is. We're gonna try this spinnerbait. That's okay. Got one.
Get him, Plant! Monster!
I doubt it. About a pound and a half, maybe. Pound. Not bad though. Gotta kiss him before we turn him loose. Gotta catch at least one more beat Savannah and Mason, so here we go. Ooh, this looks like a good spot. dry, squalling. Come on, bro. Hey, number 2.
I know.
Just so you know. Not a monster though. About a pound and a half maybe. Closer to a pound probably. There we go. Number 3. About the same size as the last one. Okay. So yeah, if somebody wants to sponsor me a couple reels, I'll give you a shout out. Whew. This one is like super old, probably it's a Pinnacle, probably a Walmart special way back in the day. It's dry, it's squalling when I cast, but it's working. Got lots of fish.
Well, I thought I was going to bring them home and eat.
There we go. Try another small one, maybe. Oh, that's a nice fish. That's a really nice fish, actually. Woo. Oh, again. That's a 3-pounder. Yep, he gone. Every bit of a 3-pounder. He wasn't scrawny like yours. We're headed back to the truck. I caught, what, 3 and then had that 3-pounder. They got off right at the bank. Savannah caught 2, I think. Maisyn caught 1. Cade caught, I don't know how many, handful. We're calling it an evening. Maisyn got her first fish, so that was the goal of the evening. She's pretty happy, I think. Maisyn, you happy you got your first fish?
Yeah.
Was it big? Yeah, awesome. So we're getting ready to go home, but appreciate every one of you guys for watching. And like always, guys, God bless you from Garrison Acres.